Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Nicole from my Pandora Charmed Life. Today's video is going to be part 2 of my post-Christmas / winter sale haul. It was where you got up to 50% off Pandora charms, and of course I had to take full advantage of that sale, especially since some of those items will be retiring soon. Because a lot of different stores were out of stock, I had to go through different avenues to get some of these items. Two places I got these charms from were Ben Bridge Online and Reed's Jewelers. I interrupt this to give a very big warm thank you to all of my 6,000 subscribers. I can't believe we're already at 6,000. It is so cool. Thank you to everyone who has supported my channel and subscribed. With that being said, we are at the next giveaway. We took the votes to Instagram, and 53% of you thought that the delicious popcorn charm would make the best next charm for the YouTube Goals bracelet. Check out all the details on how to enter the giveaway in the description below, and don't forget to enter via the link. Again, thank you guys so much for subscribing. And now back to our regularly scheduled program. Before we actually get into the haul, I do want to let people know where I got these charm bars. So it's probably the question I get asked most frequently, and I never had a good answer until recently. I was searching on Amazon for a Stackers jewelry box, and I noticed that Stackers had these little charm bars as well. So I picked up a few. I'll include a link in my description below. That way you can take a look, because I know people are always asking, where can we get charm bars? So these ones are kind of the littler ones, but they're really nice to hold like your orphan beads. If you saw part 1 of the haul, you knew that I was getting Thumper in the mail, so he's finally arrived, and he is such a cute little rabbit. This actually is not going to represent Bambi or make up a Bambi theme, but it is going to go on my Snow White theme. And he is just so cute. Like, it's obviously Thumper. It's so amazing how like detailed they got this little guy, from his little features, his eyes, his little ears. I love his feet. Reminds me of when he, thumps his feet, hence his name Thumper. And then the back, cute little tail. Absolutely an adorable charm. The next charm that I got is Alice's Tea Party, and I'd been debating this one, but because I think Presley probably most enjoyed all of the Alice rides at Disneyland, I really wanted to get it. And then when we came home, we watched the Alice in Wonderland movie, and just totally reminded me of how awesome this scene is and how confusing the Mad Hatter is and how awesome it is. So in this charm, you can see the Mad Hatter. He's got a pot of coffee he's pouring Alice, and a pot that he's pouring the hair. So there is Alice. There's the stacks on stacks and stacks of teacups. And there's the hair. And he's getting tea as well. I love how they use all sorts of different colors in here, because the bracelet this will be going on will also just have touches of a lot of different colors. The third thing that I got from this item, oh, and this was Ben Bridge, by the way, was the ivory white leather. This one has the round clasp, and it does have the threaded, whatever you call these. I don't even know what to call those, but they're threaded. Sometimes they're not. And sometimes they're the barrel clasps. So I got ivory white. My goal in 2019 is to not have so many orphan charms. So I will be using my leathers to do some mini designs. So look for a future video on how I designed my leathers. So during this after Christmas sale or winter sale, I did look at Reed's Jewelers. I'd never shopped there, but I wanted to see what did some people have that others had out of stock, and they had the white rabbit, also from Alice in Wonderland, and kind of a two-parter. Oh, I like how he's like running, by the way. One leg's back and one leg is forward, and he's got his clock, and of course he's always, I'm late, and that's kind of the story of my life. My mom comes and watches Presley, and I never get a chance to talk to her in the morning. I'm always like, I'm late, I gotta go. So it's kind of a two-meaning charm. One for Alice in Wonderland and Disneyland Memories, and two because I am always late. The last two items that I got on Reads were these fabric tassels. So I hated these fabric tassels when Pandora came out with them. I thought, who would ever put fabric tassels on their bracelet? All I could picture was them getting dirty or getting wet, and it didn't, I had like no desire to have this hanging off a bracelet. But then some of their ads started talking about using them as earrings, and then I was watching a Fierce Zai video and she referenced using them as earrings too. So at 50% off, I got a couple of these, and I will test out using them as earrings and see how that goes. Ended up getting them because it made it worth it, because again, in order to get 50% off, you had to get 3 items, and being that these are only $35, 50% off was a steal. These have Pandora written on, like right there. They're a crown. Ooh, please note, there's not a crown written on this, in the Pandora. So that was this haul. Look forward to part 3, which is probably, they're all my favorite hauls, but part 3 was pretty interesting because I found charms that shouldn't have been on sale, but they were. So anyway, Presley, if they like this video, what do we want them to do?
Subscribe their video.
Well, we want them to subscribe to our channel, but we want them to
Thumbs up.
give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Like the little one said, subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment. Let me know which of my haul was your favorite piece. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all next time.
Subscribe your video.
So what?
Subscribe your video.
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to your video. Subscribe to our video.
Say thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
Silly.
I got the. I got it.
Again, don't forget to read in the description how to enter the giveaway for delicious popcorn, and don't forget to enter via the link.